Good morning, everyone. My name is Kinjal Amelia Ambueno, a grade 11 student. It's my honor to stand before you today to discuss an issue in today's generation, the gender equality. According to UNFA SRO, gender equality is first and foremost a human right. It implies that women, men, boys and girls of all classes and races participate as equal and have equal value, which means same rights, same opportunity, and respect should give to any gender identity. Gender equality means that all gender are free to pursue whatever career, lifestyle, and abilities they want without discrimination. Their rights, opportunities, and access to society are not different based on their genders. It's like being at an eat all you can buffet, where everyone gets to choose from the same delicious menu that no one should be stuck with plain salad while others are enjoying their steak, shrimps, lobster, and chocolate cakes. Who will agree with me if I say that everyone, despite their genders, should indulge in all opportunity life to offer? Na lahat ng tao ay dapat may pantay-pantay na oportunidad na dapat makuha. In this generation, discrimination in genders is one of the biggest issues in our society, especially to those people who is part of LGBTQ community. According to Stanford Edu, gender discrimination is when someone is treated unequally or disadvantageously based on their gender. I, myself, witnessed this kind of situation, especially in a workplace. Some people treat each individual unfairly or unequally. Women, for instance, they fought for centuries to gain rights that were denied to them simply because of their genders. You're just a girl. In Filipino, babae ka lang. Being a woman does not mean that you are weak. You can do everything or any work you want to do as long as you don't step on anyone. Being a woman, man, or any gender identity does not measure what you can do. It is measured by being strong and believing in yourself. I have watched this movie called The Private Benjamin, wherein Benjamin is forced to join the military because his grandfather was kidnapped. Sumali siya kahit na siya ay may pusong babae dahil alam niya sa sarili niya na kaya niya. But then, habang tumatagal siya sa loob ng kampo, ay nalaman ng general nila na isa siyang bakla at sinabing hindi siya nararapat na naroon. Pagkatapos noon, ay nalaman ng mga kasamahan niya at siya ay tinukso. Ngunit ang kanyang mga kaibigan ay tinanggap siya ng buo at walang pag-aalinlangan. Nakaramdam si Benji ng lungkot dahil siguro ganun ang naging trato sa kanya. But at the end of the movie, napatunayan niya sa mga kasama niya na hindi porket hindi siya lalaki, ay hindi niya na kayang gawin yung mga ginagawa ng mga lalaki. Kaya naman, makikita natin kung gaano ka-unfair ang mundo. Ang mundo nga ba ang unfair o yung mga tao? Kahit na alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo, mayroong pa ring mga taong hindi maniniwala sa iyo at ilulugmok ka sa sitwasyon ang alam nila hindi ka makakabangon. Mayroon din namang mga taong tatanggap sa iyo at magmamahal sa iyo ng buong-buo, anuman ang kasarian mo. According to Human Rights Gov, equality is recognizing that as human beings, we all have the same value. This means we should have the same right, we should all receive the same level of respect, and have the same access to opportunities. Women, work should be valued just as much as men, and men work should be valued just as much as women work. We need actionable solution that can drive a meaningful change. First and foremost, sabi nga nila, education is the key. We can implement comprehensive program that educate both men and women about gender equality, fostering their understanding from a young age. Mas magandang bata pa lang ang mga tao, meron na silang kaalaman tungkol sa gender equality para kapag lumaki sila, meron na silang alam sa sarili nila at kung paano ang pakikitungo nila sa ibang tao. We can also engage men and women as an ally. We must foster a conversation that can challenge traditional gender role and promote respect for all. We can also use social media to promote and give awareness about gender equality because a lot of people are using social medias. Hindi lang yung mga kabataan, pati na rin yung mga matatanda. Just like our lolo and lolas, our mother and fathers, our titas and titos. By implementing some of the solution, we can build a future when everyone, regardless of gender, has the opportunity to thrive. Together, let us commit to discuss and ensure that gender equality is not just a dream but a reality for all. In conclusion, gender equality is a goal. It is an action and a change. It creates a world where everyone, regardless of gender identity, can have an equal opportunity and treated with fairness and respect. There's this quote says, equality is not a privilege or a luxury, but a fundamental human rights. Let's commit to an environment where everyone, regardless of gender, can thrive. Let's encourage future generations to dream without limits, to lead without a barrier, and not to contribute to a world that value equality and respect. That's all. Thank you for listening.